A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. Elegance is refusal. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. I only drink champagne on two occasions, when I am in love and when I am not. Fashion changes, but style endures. There are people who have money and people who are rich. Fashion has two purposes, comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. I don't do fashion. I am fashion. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself. Aloud. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress, dress impeccably and they remember the woman. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. Adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what elegance. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. Dress like you are going to meet your worst enemy today. Nature gives you the face you have at 20. Life shapes the face you have at 30. But at 50 you get the face you deserve. A woman with good shoes is never ugly. I don't care what you think of me. I don't think of you at all. If you're sad, add more lipstick and attack. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything.